Hello everyone, I'm Rich Noonan for Best of the Best Television, a program in which we travel all over America in search of our nation's best businesses. And we have found one of them today. Today on Best of the Best, the story of the Waterproof Group in Georgia. If you have a wet basement, cracks in that foundation, or other problems in that basement, you need a true expert. In suburban Atlanta, the Waterproof Group is that company. They have outstanding customer reviews and a family business with many decades of experience on this team. Congratulations to the president and CEO Eric Morris, his son and executive vice president Justin Morris, and the team they value so much at the Waterproof Group, serving all of Metro Atlanta on this national honor from Best of the Best, and more importantly, for delivering gold standard customer service in a great American family business with an outstanding reputation. At Best of the Best, we never tell a company owner that we are profiling that company. We simply begin our research on any company the same way that most customers would these days. We read every word on the company website, everything we can find online about that company, and if we like what we see, we proceed with a full review. We love the story of the Waterproof Group. These guys are different. This is no old school basement waterproofing company. Eric and Justin are smart, progressive guys. They've built a great brand, their website, some awesome videos on YouTube that show that Eric has some real talent on camera. Even their truck wraps are special. But what really matters to us is their ability to solve often big problems for their clients in basements. The Waterproof Group has a ton of experience at finding and solving basement issues the right way. They do all kinds of foundation repair, crawl space encapsulation in lots of homes, but they also have a very robust commercial business. They've done some really large commercial projects in and around Atlanta. Eric and Justin are great guys, and they are sticklers for hiring great people, quality people who do quality work and understand that customers come first. When you hire the Waterproof Group, there is no drama. They communicate really well up front, and then they execute on schedule, on budget. You will never wonder what's going on with your project. You will know. All of that is wonderful, but remember, at Best of the Best, we care most about our independent research and what real clients say in recent reviews about any business that we profile. The customer reviews about the Waterproof Group on every credible review site out there are awesome. Customers rave about the professionalism of the team, the fair and transparent pricing, and most importantly to us, the honesty and integrity displayed by everyone at the Waterproof Group every single day. They would never sell you something you don't need. Never. Congratulations to the entire team at the Waterproof Group in Georgia on this national honor from Best of the Best, and way more importantly, for doing business only one way every single day, the right way. Congratulations, everyone. You earned it.